What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Welcome back to D's Card Break. As always, I am D. What's going on, guys? How we doing out there tonight? I hope everybody's getting through their week okay. It's only Tuesday, and I'm in the mood to rip some cards, guys. I need to get into this box. So I figured, before I finish my night up and go take my shower and get all the dirt and grime from the work off of me, I would love to get into these with you guys. This is an absolute great product right here. I've got nothing against the 2019s. You guys just saw me rip 4 boxes of them. So I've got absolutely nothing against them at all. But the rookie class and these guys are absolutely amazing. So, see what we can do about finding that first Shohei Ohtani auto. Oh, not going to focus today there. Oh, we had it. Then we lost it. Well, if that's the story of our day, we are not in luck. Whatever. Alright, right off the bat, there's either a filler or a card in here. Looks to be just a filler. Alright. I don't know how my trash bag keeps getting further and further away from me. Oh, got an artisan proof in this one too. Alright, guys. So, the last box I did of these was quite some time ago. It's labeled under my first card shop pickups. Greg Allen, Albert Pujols, artisan proof. Shohei Ohtani, Diamond King, Nelson Fox, Andrew McCutchen. I don't know what's going on with the focus today. Here we go. Now we could see that pack. Hey, what an awful video already. Goodness. Wow. First 2 minutes were all fuzzy. That's alright. You guys don't like me for my quality. Frank Thomas. Mickey Mantle. Francisco Lindor. Let's see, these are those red. They had red last year. So that's just a regular. Portrait of Ted Williams. That's very cool. Lou Gehrig. Cool. 2 packs down, guys. Here we go. And just like the 2019s, they're 12 packs, 8 cards. Cool designs. Great looking cards. Yeah, great product. Love this product. Pee Wee Reese. Aaron Judge. Honest Wagner. So let's see. Number 2. Could be a photo variant. There we go. Trophy Clubs. Chris Bryant. Mookie Betts. Roger Maris. Josh Donaldson. All right, pack 4. Already 1/3 of the way through the box. Oh man, and there's a hit in there. Look how thick that one is. Holy man. Wow. All right. Looks like there's just a filler in there. That's good. Yeah, let's double check that. But yeah. Cool. Even the fillers in this stuff are nice. All right, not one of the great rookies we're looking for. Nice. Red. Frank Thomas 500. Shohei Ohtani. There we go. Joe Jackson. Don't know anything about him yet. Not a name I heard a lot in the 2018 season. Not a name I've heard a lot so far this season either. Yeah, my first box was absolutely crazy. Anthony Rizzo. If you ain't seen it, go back and check it out. Buster Posey. Shohei Ohtani. Photo variant. Rookie. That one's worth about 15 bucks. 10, 15 bucks. Paul Goldschmidt. Try to get this out in order. Here we go. All right. I like it so far. This one's going quick. I like trying to keep the videos down low a little bit. Of course, you know, it's not always easy to do. No, it is not. Artisan Proof, 36 out of 99. Looks like Harry Hopper. How cool. All right. Nice. Got a Diamond King here. Roberto Clemente. Robert Alexander. Nick Williams. Awesome. So we already know we have one hit. Well, there might be one in here. To be completely honest with you, that's pretty thin. That feels thin. Or it's just me. Probably just me. It just felt thin. Wow. Oh, there we go. There we go. Helps when you turn it the right way. Justin Verlander. Paul DeJong. Nice red Paul DeJong. Chipper Jones portrait. That's cool. Chris Sale. Clayton Kershaw. All right, guys. We've only got 5 more packs. Found 2 Ohtanis, which is sweet. Take any and all Ohtani cards I can. Is that just a filler? Yep. All right. Oh, Shohei Ohtani again. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. My last box, I pulled a Walker Buehler like that. That is sick. That is super sick. Aaron Judge Trophy Club. Babe Ruth. Paul Warner. Robinson Cano. Don DiMaggio to start us off. But you guys saw that. I just didn't say it. All right. Yeah, we're just speeding right along through these. All right. All right, there we go. Jose Altuve. Ryan McMahon. Brian McHarn. Kirby Puckett. Alex Rodriguez 500. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Here we go, guys. All right. Down to the final 3 packs. We know one's already got a big fat one in it. We are still looking for the other one. And we just now passed 10 minutes. This is good. Good video. Good break so far, too. I think that right there is it. I think that's it. Yep, that is definitely a card. All right. So, since there's only 3 packs left, let's go ahead and get this non-hit pack over with. I think I actually just got to the cards. Oh, no. Did I really? Yeah. Looks like I got that one. Well, it's not numbered or anything. Domingo Smith. Joey Votto. What's the number? Okay, 148. So it's a short print. Lou Brox and Francisco Lindor. Bryce Harper. Oh, there you guys are. Carlos Correa. All right. So we have our hits here. Fingers crossed. Hope they're good ones. Really hope they're good ones. All right. Get you guys centered. Bobby Thompson. Chris Bryant. Corey Kluber. All right, here we go. Oh, who is that? Don't know who that is, but that is sick. Look at that. All right, it's a Chicago White Sox, numbered 217 of 299. It's pretty sick. And I love these cards. Don't know who that guy is. Sorry. But that is all right. Still love that card, though. That is sick. These cards are absolutely awesome. All right, and this one's super thick. Super, super thick. So we're going to go ahead, get him to the back. Man, I hope it's cool. Victor Robles, nice. George Springer's nice. Brandon Woodruff, rookie, nice. Luis Severino. Shohei Ohtani, that's 4 Ohtanis. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Miguel Andujar. What? 16 of 49. Miguel Andujar. New York Yankees. That is a super, super thick card. If I'm not mistaken, he was a rookie last year, was he not? I think he was. Awesome, guys. Look at that. Oh, that feels nice. All right. Hey, so look, these are our 2 hits. Miguel Andujar. 15 of 49. And then this guy, who I cannot pronounce his name. I would try, but it would sound weird, and I'm sorry, guys. I butcher way too many names here. I still think it's awesome, though. Super sick. Just gonna have to go look him up, see what he's doing, see how he's doing, see where he's at. All right, guys. So guess what? I kept a whole entire box break under 15 minutes. So sorry I wasn't super woo and pleasurable. It was a very long and hot day here. My job site did not have no shade whatsoever, just all sun. So I'm pretty fried right now. I definitely wanted to get into these, though, and say what's up to all my people. And I want to thank everybody who stopped by and watched. And I appreciate you and all your support. And I appreciate the card crew and all their support. Love you guys. I really appreciate you. Guys, if you like what you saw here, you know what you got to do. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and leave me a comment down below, because if YouTube allows me to see my comments, I will always answer them. And I hope everybody finishes out their week strong. Tomorrow's the hump day. Let's get over it together. Maybe come back tomorrow with a little hump day video. And yeah, if I do, I'll catch you then. So I will see you guys at the next break.